Hi, today we're going to discuss how to convert a Notion form into PDF files automation. And for this demonstration, I'm going to talk about notice of completion. As you can see, I have created a simple form with some of the fields added onto this form. And once you click on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database. I've already added two entries into this particular database, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files completely in automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. This will help me process the PDFs from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Google document is where I'll be editing the template to convert to PDF, and the Notion database contains all the information that I'm looking to convert to PDF files. So let us understand how this will work. You can even create any reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you're planning to generate on your business with this setup. So click on create PDF and let's quickly sign in, and then I will show you the automation steps that we need to take to generate the PDF files. So once you log in, the very first thing which you need to do is you need to add your Notion database over here. After that, you need to connect the document for the database. And finally, you need to map all the properties of the database one by one onto the document to generate the PDF file. So let's click on add Notion database and we will be able to connect the database which we have on our window. So I will just copy the notice of completion form title from here. So as I copy the title, I should be able to add it inside the selection screen. Click on select pages and put the title inside the search pages field, and you should be able to see the form appear over here. Click on that and the database is already added up. So whenever you're adding any database, always put it inside the search pages field and then add it. Do not add the same by selecting the top level pages that you see over here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly. So let's click on allow access, and now we should be able to get access to the database. Before that, I also want to highlight one more thing. If your database is connected with other databases through relation properties, so let's say my notice of completion form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages. If I do that, then only the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible in the document that will be generated. So let's click on allow access, and now we should get access to the particular database which we can use for the automation steps. If you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the particular form appear over here. If it is not showing up, simply click on reload database once or twice and the database will definitely be visible in the drop down over here. So sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience, but it should definitely appear in the drop down. So let me click on this, and if I scroll down, I should be able to see all the properties of the database appear over here one below the other. Let's add a document to this database. So click on add Google document. If you already have a notice of completion template available on your drive, go with an existing document and choose the template that is already available on your drive. I don't have any template available. So what I will do is I will instead add a new demo document which can automatically add all the placeholders for my use case. So I have opted for a demo document, and you can see it has created me this new document with all the placeholders automatically created inside the document. So we have completion date, contractor, project address, project name, all the fields are coming from the database that we see over here. So what will happen is when you will generate the PDF, the project address field will be mapped to the project address column that you see over here. Similarly, the contractor field will be mapped to the contractor field that you see over here, and so on for all the other fields. And all these fields inside double curly brackets, which will be mapped, will be replaced with the values from the database, and then the PDF will be generated out of that. So if you want to manually add any property onto the document, so let's say I want to add project address, click on copy, go to the document wherever you wish to add it, and simply use Control V or Command V on your keyboard, and you can already add the property directly inside the document. So you can keep on adding any property that you wish to add directly inside the document by using Control V or Command V. It creates live mapping directly inside the document. The next step is defining how you want to have the PDF file named. So I want to name the PDF file as per the contractor that we see over here. Okay. So I can choose the contractor column from the drop down, and all my PDFs will be named as per that. Let's click on download PDF, and now it will start to see if any of the records are set as ready to generate. So it will check the generate PDF column. If any of the records are set as ready to generate, it will be converted to PDF file and it will be stored in the PDF file column. So make sure you mark your records as ready to generate before downloading any PDF, and it will be stored in the database right over here. Click on this and you should be able to see the particular document with all the placeholders already mapped with the database values. So this is how the mapping is done, and everything is automatically mapped with the database. Let me open up the second document. I should be able to receive the same pattern, and I can see all the documents have already been mapped with the database values. This is how easy and simple it is to create the documents. But the best part of the tool is, once everything works correctly, simply click on Setup Notion Automation, and this will run the automation to generate the PDF forever right inside your database. So you do not need to come back to PDF output and set up everything again and again to generate a PDF file. Once you click on Notion Automation, whenever a new entry appears in the database, you simply turn it as ready to generate, and the PDF will automatically be created for you in the PDF file column. This makes the process really super easy and convenient, as all the automations happen directly inside the database, and the PDFs also get created right within the database for a use case. So you can generate unlimited PDF 24/7 365 days with this setup by using the exact same template that you would have added earlier, and the PDF will directly be created within the database. This saves a lot of time, as all the automations takes place within the Notion database. So whenever a user will click on submit and a new entry appears, simply mark it as ready to generate. The PDF will directly come in the PDF file column for your use case. I hope this demo was helpful to you. If you have got any questions on this, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries on the same. I'll be happy to address any of your issues. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you have the contact window available. Click on that and you can send me a message on the same. I'll be able to address the queries as well. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation available. So I hope you start generating the